Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share with you all. This first one is from Eve Ara, and we did a friendship tassel swap on our very last Crafty Wacky Wednesday with Louisa and friends. And so Chiquita, Eve, and Louisa and myself, we all made tassels for all four of us. But I got mine from Eve today. So guys, this video is pre-recorded, or not pre-recorded, but I recorded this as soon as I got it, and I just told them that I couldn't get my tassels sent out in time because I'm already, by the time you see this video, I'm already in Ohio. We had to go take a trip to go see my father-in-law, who has been in the hospital, and that's all I want to say about it. He's been sick, and we're going to go visit him. So by the time you see these videos, I'm already there, and we're spending time with him. So I'm going to send mine out as soon as I get home, which will be next week. So I do apologize, my friends. I'm so sorry. I've already told them that, and they are well aware of the situation. Oh my gosh, Eve. I forgot that she was sending this. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Let me see if there is a note. So let's go with this one right here. I think this is a mini card. So cute, Eve. Thank you so much. Oh, how pretty is this snowflake? She got this from Hobby Lobby, and it's one of those embossing die cuts. So, oh, how pretty. And it just says sparkle every day. She's got a pink bow here. Yep, it is. Oh my gosh. Please enjoy the goodies. I promised you. Thank you for supporting. Hugs, Eve. Oh my gosh, Eve, this is so cute. Guess what, girl? This is going in my junk journal. And she shared the small snowflake with me. How pretty. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Eve. And now into the big goodie bag. She shared this napkin with me. She made some beautiful decoupage pieces with this napkin, and look, you get 4 snowmen. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Eve. Oh my goodness. Thank you, friend. And oh yes, I see our beautiful tassel. Look at this. Is the one she made on the live. And I also contacted my prize winners just to inform them that I will be out of town, and I will mail everything out to everyone as soon as I get home, which will be on Tuesday. I'll be home Monday, but I'll send it Tuesday. Oh, look at her beautiful beads. She's got the little lobster clasp on top. We can attach it. She got my initial. Look at it. So pretty. It's so pretty. And the most itty bittiest little snowflake right there. And then onto our trim, she attached some charms to our tassel. Oh, wow. So little Santa. And I thought it was a chocolate Santa. In the camera, it looked like a little chocolate Santa, but it's just gold. So gold is chocolate to me. Look at her little findings. That is so cute. With the pearl bead, and then she's got the red bead on here, and a little jingle bell. And then here are her tassels. Oh, look at this one. She got hearts on that one. How cute. Love that. And she's got some iridescent ribbon here. Some lace ribbon. Oh, how pretty. This is so pretty. Guys, if you haven't checked out her video, please do, because it has all the details where she got these trims or how she came about picking them. How pretty. Oh, love, love, love this. She's got little hearts. More lace trims here. The eyelash trim. Oh, how pretty. I love this, Eve. Oh my goodness. She's got a pearl strand here. Some pom-poms. Oh, how cute. How cute. Look at this fuzzy yarn. Oh, that is so pretty. That is different from the eyelash. So you see the eyelash trim here, eyelash trim. And then the fuzzy yarn. So cute. And the pearls. Look at this snowflake. The snowflake trim. OMG. It's like an iridescent. You guys see that? How pretty, Eve. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. So, oh, and there's another. Oh, I think I showed that, the other Jingle Bell. So I think she had already sent this one. Oh, look at this trim. This is really, really tiny. Very pretty. Thank you so much. She had already mailed hers out by the time I got my information and shared it with them. But thank you so much, my friend. Then she also shared these. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is like such a perfect spider webby. Ooh. Yes, girl. So she sent me something similar to this. It's not this exact one, but it has that same effect. That is so pretty. And I did use it when the one she sent me before. I used it for Halloween on my spooky hand for the Halloween swap from Mommy and Me Crafts. Patty. Oh my gosh, Eve. It smells so divine. Look at this. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. So you guys, you know, Chiquita does dye these trims and laces and stuff. So if you're interested in that, please follow Chiquita. She does have the sales on her channel. Oh my gosh, Eve, this is so much. Wow, thank you. Some to play with and some to share. How generous, my friend. Oh my gosh. And she, so if you want, check out Chiquita and then check out Eve too, because she also does sales with Chiquita. Oh my goodness. And they're very, very cute findings. I love this. Look at that in the tassel. I know, I'm so silly. I'm so silly. Look at this. Oh, it's on this side. I'm so sorry. That is so pretty. These are loopy pearls. Oh my gosh. I guess these are sort of like flower centers, but you know, we're not going to just use it for that. We're going to use it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Eve, it's beautiful. We're going to use it on our crafty papers, you know, paper crafts. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. This is just beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to leave Eve and Chiquita and Luisa's links in the description box down below because all these wonderful crafty ladies are so generous. They do sales and Luisa, you know, she does her digitals, but she also does kits, guys. So she'll take this ensemble and make it into a somewhat of a kit that would go with her digital collections. So if you're interested in that too, please check out Luisa. Oh my gosh, look at the colors. So beautiful. They're all different. Oh my gosh. How gorgeous is that? Eve, you are so generous, my friend. Thank you. Let me know if you made these. Look at this one. See, they're all different. They look the same, but they're all different. So pretty. And then she's got these little leaves. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. And Eve also put some beautiful kits together. So, like I said, they are the ones to be on the lookout for. Look at this. How pretty. The little dangles. Yes. And every once in a while, Eve and Chiquita will sell these beautiful laces and trims on their channels, guys. So yeah, you want to follow them. You want to follow them. But thank you so much, Eve. This was all we were swapping. And of course, you know, as friends, we always want to add a little bit extra, spoiling each other. Because look at this. That is going in my junk journal. Look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.